Airman First Class Ryan Hortman may pump gas, but he is thousands of miles away from any corner store.
I didn't know what a boom operator was at first.
In the Air Force, it is an in-flight refueling technician, and now that Airman Hortman knows he is responsible for safely ensuring other aircraft have enough fuel to stay in the fight, he's pretty pumped about his job.
I like it, I enjoy it. It's pretty fun.
The KC-135 Stratotanker and boom operators like Ryan have refueled countless aircraft over the last 50 years. So for him, large force exercises like Forceful Tiger are just another day at the office.
So today we did F-16s and F-22s.
Airman Hortman manages a max fuel load of 200,000 pounds as he enhances global reach and helps deliver rapid and precise air capabilities to the Pacific region. Kadena Air Base, Air Force Staff Sergeant Sean Bryant.